CBSE Class 10 Math. How to get 90% plus in 7 days. How to score 90% plus in 7 days. Hey guys, what's up? Exams are stressful, especially the CBSE Class 10 boards. And the math exam? Don't even get me started. But guys, relax. Learn It Easy is back with another super helpful video. And this time, we'll crack the math code. This video is for all my fellow students who want to score more than 90% in their Class 10 math exam in just 7 days. So if you're thinking, how is this possible? Well, believe me, it is. Just follow my 7-day plan. It's super effective and I'm going to break it down for you step by step. We'll cover everything from NCERT to sample papers, previous year questions, time management, and even some secret tips and tricks. So buckle up, grab your notebooks and pens, and let's do this. Let's make math fun and easy. Alright guys, for the first 2 days, we'll focus on strengthening our foundation. And for that, NCERT is your best friend. Memorize every line, every example, and every solved question in NCERT. Because board exam questions come directly from NCERT. Don't just blindly solve everything. Pay extra attention to the important questions and try to understand the concepts behind them. Also, check out previous year board papers and see which topics have been asked frequently. Treat NCERT like your holy book, guys. Alright guys, now it's time to test yourselves. For the next 2 days, we'll be solving sample papers and previous year questions. CBSE sample papers are a great way to understand the exam pattern and the type of questions asked. Solve as many sample papers as you can in a time-bound manner. Try to finish each paper within 3 hours, just like in the actual exam. This will help you improve your speed and accuracy. Analyze your mistakes and work on them. Remember, practice makes perfect. Okay guys, it's time to face your fears. Today, we'll be focusing on the topics that you find the most difficult. Could be coordinate geometry, trigonometry, statistics, or anything else that gives you nightmares. Don't worry, we'll conquer them together. Go through the concepts again, practice more questions, and make short notes of formulas you tend to forget. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, so keep practicing and you'll get there. It's the day before the exam, guys. Today we'll be doing a full-length mock test under exam conditions. Set your timer for 3 hours, find a quiet place, and give it your best shot. This will give you a real feel of the exam and help you identify any last-minute weaknesses. After the mock test, analyze your performance. Focus on your calculation speed and accuracy. Even small mistakes can cost you valuable marks. Remember, every second counts. It's exam day, guys. Don't panic. Just relax and revise all the formulas, theorems, and key concepts one last time. Don't try to cram anything new today. Just go through your notes and make sure you understand everything clearly. To boost your confidence, you can solve one easy sample paper. But remember, no heavy calculations today. Just relax, stay calm, and believe in yourself. You got this. Okay guys, before we wrap up, here are some bonus tips to help you ace that math exam. Every morning, spend 10 minutes revising the formulas. Trust me, it works wonders. Don't ignore the do you know points given in NCERT. They often contain important information that can get you extra marks. Pay attention to word problems and graphs. Many students tend to neglect them, but they carry significant marks. And lastly, presentation matters. Write your answers neatly and clearly, especially in step marking questions. And please, don't try to learn anything new in the last 24 hours. Just relax and revise what you already know. Alright? So guys, that's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, math is not as scary as it seems. With the right strategy and consistent effort, you can definitely score amazing marks. Just stay positive, believe in yourself, and give it your best shot. And one more thing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Learn It Easy for more awesome content. Share this video with your friends who are also struggling with math. Let's help each other out. All the very best for your exams, guys. Go rock it. I believe in you.